Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. This is my friend. She likes to dance. Again. This is my friend. She likes to dance. Your turn to read, children. Jim has a horse. His horse is brown. Again. Jim has a horse. His horse is brown. Your turn to read, children. Sam has a cake. Her cake looks yummy. Again. Sam has a cake. Her cake looks yummy. Your turn to read, children. Tom has a balloon. His balloon is blue. Again. Tom has a balloon. His balloon is blue. Your turn to read, children. This is my brother. He likes to draw. Again. This is my brother. He likes to draw. Your turn to read, children. This is my sister. She is pretty. Again. This is my sister. She is pretty. Your turn to read, children. Josh has a kite. He likes to fly his kite. Again, Josh has a kite. He likes to fly his kite. Your turn to read, children. Sarah likes noodles. It is her favorite food. Again, Sarah likes noodles. It is her favorite food. Your turn to read, children. This is my friend. She is happy. Again, this is my friend. She is happy. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. This is my friend. She likes to dance. Jim has a horse. His horse is brown. Sam has a cake. Her cake looks yummy. Tom has a balloon. His balloon is blue. This is my brother. He likes to draw. This is my sister. She is pretty. Josh has a kite. He likes to fly his kite. Sarah likes noodles. It is her favorite food. This is my friend. She is happy. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.